Good morning. Uh, I cleaned up the solar panel to charge properly or to properly charge the battery. And here's the line from the solar panel going down to the battery. So I go down to see you the line. Here's the wire going to the inside my house. And here's the wire going down to the battery. Going not to the battery, but going to the charge controller. Now
1,400 miles north,
the solar panel charge 2.0 amperes to the battery because it's not already sunny today. That's why it charges only 2 amperes. Then going down to the battery to the inverter and to the television. Have a nice day.